check this out. Ideation, scripting, optimization, which is basically all the things you get to do when your video will go live.
Let's be real for a second. Growing on YouTube can feel impossible sometimes. You spend hours brainstorming ideas, writing scripts, trying to figure out what people actually want to watch. Trust me, I struggled. Struggled because that is in the past now. You don't have to go through all of that yourself because there's a tool that can do all of the hard stuff for you. Keyword research, video ideas, scripting, even optimizing your uploads. That tool is called Tube Magic. The sponsors of today's video. Tube Magic is one of the amazing tools for YouTube automation designed to make your content creation process faster, easier, and way more efficient. Let's just say seamless. You can sign up for free, but before you rush to my description for the link, let me show you how this magic works. See what I did there? Tip magic. Magic. Let's do it.
My first impression of this tool was, wait, what? Is this for real? Because check this out. Ideation, scripting, optimization, which is basically all the things you get to do when your video will go live. This is new. Let's just digress a little. Hold on. Oh my god. Channel name generator. This is just getting better. All right, now let's get to the amazing stuff, how you can actually use some of these tools. We're going to be exploring some of them. Right here, you can generate video ideas. Here, you can even create community posts. Let's try this out. All you need to do here is to paste your channel URL. Okay, I want to create a poll. You click on generate. Check this out. What aspect of professional development are you most interested in exploring next? I can add in 2025 here. This is a poll. I can just copy and paste on my community tab. I'm going to come back to it. Here, video research, keyword research. You can even do a niche research. This is just amazing. This is the health niche, and right here you can see the RPM for each of these niches. If you don't know what RPM is the amount you get paid as a creator after YouTube have removed their percentage. Here you can do your research on the kind of niche you want to focus on. Now let's move on to scripting. Let me show you how to use the tool. Let's say I want to create a video on 5 ways to make passive income online. Before I click on generate, Tube Magic also offers templates that you can use. Let's say I want this video to be 60 seconds, right? Short. Yeah, I can click on this. How to? Is it just an outline, which is my favorite? So you can decide on the word count. Yeah, you can increase this if you want. Now let's click on generate and watch the magic happen. Let's say you don't want the detailed script because my videos are not always fully scripted. I prefer to use the outline approach. I'm going to click on scripts outline and click on generate again. Tube Magic will divide your script into different sections, right? We have the introduction, the body of the script, yeah, which will state the different methods to make passive income online, and then you have the conclusion. Here you can turn an article to a YouTube script. This is my next favorite thing on Tube Magic. This feature will automatically create a video title for you, a description, and tags for your video. All you need to do is to bring in the video URL here. You just copy and paste and click on generate. Look at this, that's generated 3 titles for me, 3 variations that I can choose from, description for the video, and tags. This is going to save you hours of work. So use the link in my description and sign up. So you don't want to use the web option, which will generate the video title, description, and tags all at once. You just want to do them individually. You can generate the video title using this feature, generate the tags using this feature. Now let's talk timestamps.
I have never used timestamp on my videos because I do not have the time and energy to do that manually. But I tried this with Tube Magic and it was, wait, what? It generated timestamp for my video I had uploaded like a few months ago. I was like, okay, I'm doing this. So this tool is very, very efficient.
Copy and paste the video URL and you toggle this. You click on generate. First, it will generate the video description and then the timestamps. Voila. All you need to do here now is just to click on here and go back to the video, paste, and save. That's it. Like, that's all you need to do. This is just amazing. So neighbor, try Tube Magic today. All of these tools, you can try them out for free.
So try Tube Magic for free by clicking the link in my description, and I'll drop it in the pinned comment as well. Good luck. Bye, neighbor.